This is a vintage Singer model 301. It's not a 301A. It's one of the earlier ones. The serial number is NA149742, which dates it to 1952. The machine's been serviced, completely functional. I was able to even keep the original connectors when I rewired it. And light works, passes the tap test. And basically I'm just going to show you how well it stitches. It does have some discoloration. But here's 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo in the ad. And this machine's got pretty good power. There you can see it's got good stitch, no skip stitches. And it's equal on both sides. And there you have it.